Welcome to VW Life, and today we're racing.
This is the most Volkswagen race car I've seen on the racetrack in Texas in the last 15 years. It's pretty cool.
Pretty epic today, isn't it?
It's going to be epic.
Tommy and I here, and what are we doing?
We're at the Texas Volkswagen Drag Racing Association Revival Shootout. Texas Volkswagen Race. Okay, say it. That's enough. That's where we're at today, and we have found that there's been a huge turnout, and we're not even counting, but I'm telling you, there's like 50 cars here at least, if more.
So we're in South Dallas.
Ferris, Texas, I think, something like that.
Right, and this is kind of a revival. There's been no racing in Texas for numerous years.
Yeah, many years. All the old school guys, we're going to try to get in touch with them, talk to them a little bit about that today, because they haven't seen this kind of turnout in a long time. So it's really great to see all this come back to life over here, and it makes the people that didn't bring their cars,
Tommy included,
a little sad. So that's what we're really going to do today. Enjoy some cars going down the racetrack. They're about to have a driver's meeting, and then as you can see behind us, these are all the cars that will be going down the track at some point, either by themselves or with somebody else, side by side.
That's right. So stick around and enjoy some vintage Volkswagen racing.
Everybody give this guy a good round of applause. Alright guys, hey, we're here with David. He's from DLK chapter, and he's got a super rad car with a big old motor, and it's got a lot of stuff going on, so he's gonna pop open this hood and show us.
Yeah, I got a 2275cc engine. It's a little dirty. It's been sitting all winter time, but I had to break it out for this event because it's a cool event. So yeah, I don't really know what to expect out of it. I've never been on the track, and I haven't even drag raced since I was in my 20s. So we'll see what happens. Just here to have fun more than anything, and just to support these guys and support our local VW scene. So it's gonna be a good day. Weather's perfect.
Are you ready to race today?
Yes, sir.
This is Daniel from Oak Hill Automotive. What are you running today?
56 Volkswagen.
And what's the power plant?
2275 with IDAs.
Do you have an estimated time you're going to run, you think?
760s.
760?
Yeah,
all right.
hopefully.
Are the front wheels going to come up?
Maybe. They have before.
Yeah.
Cool.
So what he's saying is we need wheelie bars right here.
Right. Sacrificial stinger.
Well, it wouldn't be a Volkswagen show without one breaking down. I'm here with Clint Cox. He organized today's event. Tell us all about it.
So we just decided to have some racing. It's been a long, we grew up, this is my brother, we grew up going to the bug-in with our dad and Ennis at the Motorplex, and we've been around Volkswagens forever, and we kind of, we don't have the nicest looking cars, but we like to, hot rod stuff. So it's been a long time since I had Volkswagen racing, so we decided to kind of throw some stuff together, and after talking a bunch of crap with all our buddies about who had the fastest stuff, we decided let's see if we can prove it. We threw this thing together so we could, we're gonna try to have a bug-in again. That's the goal. is have a few bracket races and then try to bring out a car show and a swap meet and the drag racing with it. So, you know, it's just been a long time since we had Volkswagen drag racing in Texas, and we were ready to see it again. I think there's like 40 street cars and like 15 pro cars. So.
Okay, so you're super excited with the way it turned out.
Oh my God, I'm pumped. I mean, for the first time, yeah, and the track didn't really know how it was going to turn out, so they didn't advertise for us. It was just what we shared on Facebook only, and brought out cars from Houston, Austin, San Antonio, Colorado, Oklahoma, Amarillo, and all over the place. So we're happy with the turnout, and we know that if we just keep the momentum going, it'll only grow. So that's the plan.
How do you feel, Tommy?
I'm feeling great.
Good luck out there, brother.
Thank you.
So we have the one and only Mark here, and his name's actually on the side. Tell us about the car.
Oh, well, this is a G dragster. We're running a 1679 with 48 Webers, and hopefully we'll make a better pass this go around. You know, we had a little hiccup, but hopefully it looks better this second time around.
What kind of number are you looking for?
Somewhere in the 6s on the 8th mile, hopefully.
I'm here with
Galen Smith.
Galen, and you run the track here today.
Yes, sir. We run the track.
What do you think of all the Volkswagens out here?
Man, I didn't know there was this many Volkswagens left in the world, but man, I tell you what, it was a good turnout. Clint Cox put this thing together, and we figured we'd have probably about, you know, 25 to 30 bugs if that, and he wasn't sure if he won't even stand by that. Now he was impressed. I was real impressed as well, man. They're putting on a good show. We had a couple of them break, I guess, because it's a good racetrack, but other than that, man, they're just running back to back. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. We're definitely gonna do some more. And the March 20 and 21st of this month, we got a pro mod race here. We're gonna run the Pro Stock Volkswagens, the organization that Saturday night as well. So yeah, if you like VWs, keep an eye on the Extreme Raceway Park board. We'll definitely be bringing them back, man. These guys here are having fun. It's awesome. Thanks y'all for coming. Appreciate it.
This is the end, and we've got the Pro VWs lining up now.
So we're brothers, Crash Dummies Racing, finals, baby, let's go.
Let's do this. So you and Clint are brothers.
Yes.
Clint organized this, and it's all coming down to this right now. Any predictions on the race?
It's gonna be close. Hopefully he don't break out, because I'm on my shit.
All right. Well, good luck out there.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Any prediction against you versus your brother?
Man, hey, I guarantee you the red car's gonna win.
Yes.
Hey, go big or go home, dude. It's gonna go or it's gonna blow.
Found out they're brothers as well. That's pretty cool. Brothers. Clint Cox, the one in the right lane right here, is responsible for the show today. So if y'all see him, give him a round of applause. Pat him on the back. Two brothers. They get the bragging rights to take home with them.
What a great way to end this day. Clint wins it. He takes it home. He beat his brother. That's what it's all about right there. Cinderella story.
What an incredible Cinderella story. This unknown comes out of nowhere.
Good job. Dude, I'm so when I went around him, I just started going, woo!
Congratulations!
First place, $1,000. Appreciate it.
Thank you for putting on today's show. We all appreciate you, sir.
Hell yeah, thanks for coming out.
Hey, well, thanks for watching this episode of VW Life. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe and leave us a comment. And we'll see you next time. Later.